Here we are, guys. Just got to Pills of Fisheries. I thought it was great weather to be out on the bank with the rain, and I went to our back, so we're a little bit sheltered with the trees behind us. We wasn't planned to come at all today, and I just thought I'd come for a couple of hours. So I'm just going to get all my bits out now, and then we'll show you what we're using for today's bait. So here we go. Here's my freaker box with all my freaker bits in. But what I'm going to do first of all, well, as you can see, I've got my neons, I've got my 2-in-1s, my sensate. So what we're going to do to start with, let's put this over here. So I'm just going to get the pellet water before I put any pellets in. My sticky 2mm. Just going to squirt a little bit of sensate in there. And get it mixed up. And already, guys, that absolutely stinks. Very potent. You can't really see on the camera there. It's made it a little bit of a red colour. Obviously, I know it's not the dye, but you can actually see it's, you know, mixed in. There's my 2mm. I'm just going to put them in there for a couple of minutes. So what we're using on the, well, I'll show you, to be fair. I'll just bring the feeder to me. There we go. There's my feeder, 45 gram. I know some will say it's too big. There's my hook length and my hook. So I'm just going to take these two, if we can. Take these old neons off. While my pellets are soaking. I'm just going to bring them out now, just to... There's my pellets and my pellet wetter. I'm just going to hang them on top of my tub a little minute, just so they can drain while I'm getting this done. I'm just going to put a little hole in the middle of these neons, just with my bait needle. That's one done. There you go. Obviously you can apply these neons any way you like. You can put them directly onto the hook, you can put them on the hair like I'm doing. You tie a loop round them. I always say I don't like coming fishing when it's raining. But once you're out and you're sheltered and you got the brolly up, it's actually quite nice. So I'll just show you there. It's on the hair. You can pull them off. Well, that's that on there. That's that done. Put them down a sec. Come back to me sticky 2mm. My zip's broke on the wetter, so it's not the best. They're still soaking a little bit then. I normally do them when I first get here. I just wanted to get it on video. I've not put any more sensate on top of these like I did on Sunday. I'm just going to see how it affects it. Got him fighting, it was fighting a minute ago, eh? Got that big one. It felt like a big one, Lee. Five, 4 to 5 pounds. The freaking neon. Say like 3 to 4 pound this one. Nice common. And the freaking neon and the squid and the krill 52 mils. Looks like a dream for the set. Weren't lively at all, that, as it came in. Right guys, yeah, we changed to squid and krill, sticky 2 mils. So that's what we've already done well with. I did change to the F1s last week just to see if we can get some of the sensate in. but these are me, the squid and krill from Sony Baits. Let's get it loaded and let's get it back out. Won't be a minute late. Fighter. Wow. Hey. There we go, guys. Probably about £8. Hey. Or bigger. Could be about 10, but I've not got the scales with me. Oh God. Wow. Look at the size of that monster. Wow. Wowee. Look at the size. Probably about £14 that, guys. Look at the size of that. Beautiful. I'd say about 14, but I've not got me. That is a beauty. Back. You ready to go, buddy? That's a beautiful fish. Beautiful. That's the biggest fish I've ever had out of this pond for the last 3 years of fishing. I'm happy with that, and I'm absolutely happy we're coming today. Incredible. That did bend the rod round a little bit. Right guys, we've just had that bit of a chunk, the mirror. I can't say for sure because I've got no scales, but I'd say it's probably about a 14-pounder, which is the biggest I've had, the biggest I've ever had out of this lake. I'm chuffed with that. That was on the 2 pink neons on my hook length with the Sonobaits 2mm stickers, the krill and squid. We did have the F1s on, but we changed to the krill and squid. They're the ones we used a couple of weeks back when we had 13 in the bag. So we changed back to them, and we've had 2. We've had a little 3 to 4 pounder, and we've just had that big, and then it didn't half bend that rod round. So we've got it back out now, and see if we can get any more to show. No, it's not. Come on then, come on, let's see a fishy. This is an F1 leaf. Bit of a 3 pound chunk. Lovely colour. Nice little F1. A great colour. Look at that. Look at his line all the way down there. There we have it, a little nice F1. Probably about 3 pound. We're just going to get some more neons back on, and changing to the, changing my sticky 2mm seems to have worked. We've changed from the F1s to the squid and krill, and just seems to have done the job. It's not, the feeder's going in for 10 or 15 minutes before we get anything or any indications. It's not fast paced, but it's certainly enjoyable. We've got them on there like that, on the stock. Gonna get the pellets in. There we have it. She's a big one. Fish number 4. It's fighting. Oh, you little monkey. I could have sworn then, but I'm on camera. She's come off. Oh no. That was a big one. She was a big one. Oh. Oh. I'm upset with that. You can't win them all. You can't win them all. Oh. Oh God. Right, I'm just going to get this. There we go, guys. About £9, I'd say. 9, 10 pounds. Oh, look at that. Lovely one to finish the day off with. So that's it for today, guys. Bit of an unexpected day on the bank today. Normally it's a working day for me. There was no work on today, so probably about 12 o'clock I thought, you know what, it's raining, it's cloudy, good weather conditions for fishing, so I thought let's get out. We didn't get the rod in till about 2 o'clock, I don't think. But we've done well. We've got 4. I've probably got one of the biggest ones from this lake today, and I have been fishing here on and off for the past 3 years. Plenty of days blanking and plenty of days with only a couple. But we've had 2 small. Well, we've had a small common, probably about £3. We've had a small F1, probably about £3. We've had a nice big mirror with no scales, but I'd say probably about £14. But again, that's anybody's guess, there's no scales. And just before we stood up to pack up, my rod flew round. And another nice little mirror, probably about £8-9, something like that. Again, no scales, so no definite weights. But I'll just show you quickly. How can I turn it round? I can't turn it round. So that's all I have. Just my little garden trolley with my stuff. My chair, my net, my little fuka box with all my fuka baits in, and then my rod bag. So and here's my peg, which is a little bit sloppy this week just because of the rain we've had. Yeah, just a little dugout peg, and that's where I fish. Just there's a peg there, and there's a peg there, so them 2 there. I just fished that bank there, that wall where the reeds are, right at the back. And that's you know, there's plenty of other pegs on this lake, but every time I get here I'm adamant I want to come back to this peg, just because, you know, we know we've done well before, and we know we catch. So yeah, nice little 4. We've lost one, which I think was, I could be wrong again, I think it was the 14-pound mirror that we had earlier, because when we lost it, when it come off the hook, it jumped up out the water, and it was a nice bright colour like the mirror that we had. So I'm pretty sure it was the same one. So we've had him once and we lost him once. So we've had 4 and we've lost 1, which from getting here at 2 o'clock and now I think it's about 5:30. It's not bad, to be fair. To say this late can be very hard. On the Sunday we only had the 1. So yeah, cheers guys, and hopefully we'll see you Sunday.